So guys, first we'll take the MDF base, and I have taken this designer fabric which I have taken from my left used shirt. So we will just attach this fabric with the help of Avon glue. It's not necessary that you need to have the same kind of design or pattern on the fabric. You can take any design or any fabric which has flowers or any other designs that you have, or you can, if you want to take plain one, you can take that one too. So yes, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet guys, please do subscribe. So we will attach the fabric carefully, and once it get dries, we will attach some these small zero size pearls to that. So this is the upper side that we are making. So to the upper side we will add the pearls to three sides. One is the top up corner, then both the sides, and to the bottom side we will attach the other stud. Sorry. So with the help of thread and needle and thread, we will attach this fabric. So you can see how I have done this. First you make a knot at one place, then add three pearls, and then again insert the needle to the very next side of the pearl to make the to form the triangle kind of pattern like this. So it's very easy if you follow the tutorial. So in this way then we will attach the pearls properly. So in the same way guys, I'll attach these pearls to both the sides also of this. So you can see over here how I'm doing. First you make a knot with the help of a needle and thread, and then add three pearls in this, and once you add this, then you again make a knot to the very next side. You don't keep any gap in between any two pearls, otherwise the formation won't come proper. So if you have liked my this technique, do like to my channel, and do let me know your feedback in the comment below that how are you liking my channel. And if you are following my techniques till now, to subscribe to my channel. So I have added this, and this is how it had came out to be. So then I'll cut the extra part of this part, and so we will attach the shells later on. So this is how it is going. I also have an Instagram page guys, wherein I put a lots of designs of this jewelry. So I'll give the link in the description below guys. So do follow do follow me on Instagram, and let me know how are you liking my designs over there. So again with the help of Avon glue we will attach the stud to this, and once this get dried I'll attach the back finishing fabric also. So you can see I have added the back finishing fabric in the black only, and in the same way I have done the down part also. And as I have told you, I had added the pearls to the both sides. Now I will attach the shells to the bottom side. So for that I am taking this hole maker, and with the help of hole I will make one hole, and we'll attach with the help of jump ring we will add the shell. So now it's up to you if you want to add a jump ring first and then shell in that and attach with the help of a plier, you do that. Or if you want to add a jump ring and shell, like if you want to add jump ring, a shell in the jump ring, you add shell in the jump ring, and then that jump ring you add in the hole. So likewise you can do anything. I usually add the jump ring first and then add the shell. So in this way I have added all the three, and then we just attach the bottom and the top part together, and that's it. With this quick easy earrings are ready. So how do you like my this technique of making this earring? This is so quick and easy, and is very useful for the beach wear. Like if you are planning for a Goa trip or Andaman Nicobar trip or any Mumbai trip, do try to make this kind of earrings and do wear it with your pretty dress. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you soon in the next video. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off. Don't forget to follow my on my Instagram page guys, and please subscribe. I'll give the link in the description below. Thank you so much.